We have here some washi tape. So we're going to take it out, see what it comes with. Inside here you can see all the fun different colors and patterns. So I'm going to take everything out and then we are going to use it. You can see each of these have a different unique pattern to it and they all have really fun colors to it. So it's going to be really fun to use to make crafts or anything you want to use it with. It's going to be really fun. There's also some different sizes of them. You can see here this one's a little thinner and this one's a little thicker, so it'll make it fun to make your craft with different sizes as well. The quality of this tape is really nice. It's nice and thick and it's going to be really easy to use if you want to cut it or rip it depending on what you're doing and the style you're going for. We're going to try this tape out in a few different ways here. We've got little canvases here, some little cards. We're going to decorate and then we'll write something on it after we're done. So we're going to try it out and see what it looks like. Put it wherever you want. Looks good. Here's two. Are you having fun with this washi tape?
Yes.
What's your favorite part about it?
Making this.
You love making this. This is a lot of fun to make on a little canvas. It sticks really well and is really pretty. So this washi tape is a lot of fun. It's super, super easy to use. The colors are really vibrant, really pretty, have really fun patterns. It was super easy to use to make a really simple craft. You could use it even for scrapbooking or any other crafts you want, or anything you even wanted to use a little piece of tape for. You could even have this really pretty tape in place of just a normal tape. So I'd recommend it to anyone that wants some really fun tape to work with their kids or anyone that works at schools. It's really, really fun. With making a card, I could write in between it a little message on the front if I wanted to, and open it up if I want to decorate in here or just write inside it. So this tape will be fun to use wherever you want.